guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a slime thing. The first thing that I have, let me see my slime. It's not as big as a container because I couldn't find like this slime container. I had bags, but it would get like way too sticky. Aquí. En su cuna. So, it's like really good. It's orange and it's pretty. Okay. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna get some. Yeah.